How far can the boards overhang? That's a great question. Again, it depends. It depends on the type of material that's overhanging. It can be, if you're using, there's products that are an inch thick. There's products that are 3/4 inch thick. There's products that have a scalloped back. There's products that are solid. So it all depends on what you're hanging over to how far it can hang over. But our standard is about 3/4 inch overhang around our deck. You start overhanging it too much, someone stands on that edge, can snap and or bend the edge of it off there, kid or something heavy or something like that. It will be around 3/4 inch. Sometimes we'll do it flush. On a wood deck, you'll typically flush it up and not overhang it. But again, it is another personal preference by the homeowner. But our standard is a picture on our picture frame is to overhang about 3/4 inch.